long pause, really a long pause. We are again, we just came out for a small trip, and it's very near to our residence, and you can see the vibes behind. It's really, really nice and cool. Today is Ganesh Chaturthi, and we are here, Kondeshwar Temple.
If you are looking for a perfect escape from the city chaos, a place where spirituality meets breathtaking natural beauty, then you have come to the right place. The Kondeshwar temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple is said to be over 1,000 years old. The main sanctum houses a revered Shivling. The temple's environment surrounded by the quiet forest, and during festivals like Mahashivratri, this place comes alive with devotees. The Kondeshwar experience is not just about the temple, it's about the incredible nature that surrounds it. Just a few steps away, you will find the stunning Kondeshwar waterfalls. The journey to Kondeshwar is an experience in itself, located from 7 kilometers from Badlapur railway station. The most convenient way to get here is by hiring a local auto rickshaw or your own private vehicle. As you leave the main road, the landscape changes dramatically. You are surrounded by lush green fields, small villages, and the majestic Sahyadri Hills.
If you cross a bridge in front of that temple, then you come to a jungle, and we are here, and you can, if I don't speak, then you can hear the nature sound, birds charming, waterfall flowing, and all these things. And I think the trail behind is a trail for trek, but we have not planned for such trek or trail anything. So we just came out with our two-wheeler, and then we are planning to spend some few more, maybe minutes, not an hours, and then we'll start from here, maybe 10-20 minutes. So we'll have a very short vlog for today. Really, what I could see here, the near about places are, it's a small hilly area, and then you have jungle, a lot of different types of birds you can see here. On the way also, when we are coming, we have spotted many birds, and here also you can hear birds charming. There are few birds. I don't know is it visible very well in camera or not. Most of them are hidden in jungle, so if you go for a trekking, I guess you will find many of them. Otherwise, it's a nice place to visit, and by the way, the weather is very nice. Not raining, but it's too cloudy, and hopefully by the time we leave it may start raining. And you can see the view behind, so that is the temple behind, and then there is a waterfall also. And yeah, that's the places. Very small place, but very nice place to be here for maybe an hour.
The road might be a little bit rough in some parts, but trust me, the views are worth it. We are entering a tranquil forest area and you can already feel the peaceful vibes. Make sure you visit during the monsoon or winter months, preferably from June to February, when the waterfalls are in full flow and the greenery is at its peak. From our residence, the temple is around 30 kilometers away, and it took near about 1.5 hours to reach here by scooty. On the way, two major stop, one at a petrol pump for about 10 minutes and then at Badlapur for breakfast for around 20 minutes. Reaching here early morning is better to avoid traffic and crowd. Hmm. So that was our trip to Kondeshwar Temple, a perfect blend of devotion, history and adventure. It's a place that reminds you that some of the most beautiful destinations are just a few short journey away. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Let me know in the comments if you have been to Kondeshwar or if you are planning to visit. Until next time, happy travels.